Uker Tongjong ka Voice of the People Party, u Dr. Ricky AJ Sincon, hakasngi nyo vote, habawan poy Khmat, kakardop jong kamadan pulo, ulapan pao bakum ka party kabasyan niya ha utray, kakmi lentiban job, pat nakaliang jong kadba ka jing nyo vote kanang yad, ula karpat ikipad ba, kibawan Nongkyrshan, pakinlong kiba jay jay.
Kena. Pasal pawai pra. Yang baik kumba. Mga party Kaba Buh ni Trai. Wah, tinggi baru. Persam ban ratio tom mo. Di bat kerasa minta kalong bangin api ke result. Bat I kublai baru kita don benta mo. Agan kejingat nanti kejongi kum ke party. Di tangita insia naya keren sibet mo kublai sibut. And to maintain peace and to be part of this great country of ours, to ensure that democracy is being maintained, peace and tranquility will continue to be part of this state and this country of ours.
One last question. God willing, and let's put it this way, that if the magic happens, what's the plan for the day?
Well,
Because I'm sure all of your supporters are, all around the entire districts are waiting for the call. So what is the plan for the day?
so we'll let you all know. Let's see after the preparation of the results.
All right, wishing you all the very best.
เราต้องเป็นบ้าอุบาที่บรรทัดบวชวันโยตั้มมาเพียรวันนี้มันตายกับฟัสซัง
Kajing ihit kari kawai, bat kajing trang, kajing angut, kajing pajba, ubah lak badong, ubah langya, ubah khat, ubah jelab, ya ke politics, kaba ya ke sinsyari, kini kisnam apa,
kalau dah piwan kita
Doctor, you're leading by a huge margin. As of the latest trend, you're leading by a huge margin. So how do you feel right now?
Well, thank God for that news and thank God for the support that people are giving us, and we look forward to us. Still a long way, so we wait for the final result, and we will, I think, give a comment once the final results are out.
Was it expected? This kind
As a
of
party, we do expect for a good result. And so the early trend, I believe it goes in line with the thinking of the party. Factors also that has led people to put up their faith and trust in our party. Yes. So we'll talk again. Well, I believe that people, they get fed up with the kind of politics that we've had in our state for quite some time now, and people want change, and they see in us that we are a party with a difference, like we've been saying, and so this is the result, I believe, of the longing of the people. So we look forward for to fulfill the dreams and aspiration of the people for the change which they have been looking forward to.